This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 32 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which guides you through learning the B sequence of scales and arpeggios. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. B major is a step further along the sequence of key signatures with 5 sharps. This is not as difficult as you might imagine, as much of the fingering in the scale is the same as in E major. The second octave is exactly the same as E major in the bottom register. And even the bottom part of the scale will feel very familiar apart from the A sharp. Exercise 56 is very short and helps you get the feel for this scale. Here is the scale of B major. In the arpeggio of B major, you will need to cross the break to a left-hand fingering for B, as it will be followed by D sharp. This is exactly the same combination of fingerings as you use at the bottom of the E major arpeggio. When converting this arpeggio to B minor, you can revert to using the right-hand fingering for B. Exercise 57 is for B harmonic minor. Here is the scale of B harmonic minor. Exercise 58 is for B melodic minor. Here is the scale of B melodic minor. So here is the full B sequence. Again, practice plan 32 looks like a lot to plough through, but if you have completed all the practice plans thoroughly up to now, you should feel comfortable with everything on the list. You can also be heartened by the fact that you have now covered 6 of the 12 sequences. You are halfway.